In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change resolution in Adobe Express. If you need to export your video in a different quality setting, Adobe Express makes the process very quick and straightforward. Changing the resolution is especially useful if you want a smaller file size for faster sharing, a standard high-definition export for most platforms, or a higher quality version for sharper playback on large screens. To begin, open your video project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the project you want to export, because the resolution setting is adjusted during the download process rather than from the main editing canvas. Once your project is open, take a quick moment to confirm that everything looks the way you want before exporting. Next, move to the top right area of the screen and click Download. This opens the export options for your current project. If you don't immediately notice all the available settings, give the menu a second to fully expand so you can see each option clearly. Inside the download menu, look for the video resolution section. Here you'll see a drop-down field that lets you choose the quality level for your exported video. Click that drop-down and then select the resolution you want. Your options include 720p, 1080p, and 4K. If you're not sure which one to choose, here's a simple way to think about it. 720p is a good option if you want a smaller file that's easier to upload or send. 1080p is a solid default for most users and gives you crisp quality without creating an excessively large file. 4K is the highest of the available options and is best when you want maximum detail, though it may take longer to export and produce a much larger file. After you've selected your preferred resolution, review any other download settings that appear in the same panel. This helps ensure your export is set up exactly the way you want before you save the final file. Once everything is configured, click Download again to start exporting your video. Adobe Express will then process the file using the resolution you selected. Depending on the size and quality of your project, this may take a little time, especially if you chose 4K. And that's it. That's how to change resolution in Adobe Express. Once the export finishes, your video will be downloaded in the quality setting you selected, ready to share, upload, or store for later use.